So we finally have started work outside, which is exciting. So got a trench that they're working on here. So we're gonna finally be able to drain all the way out to the street, which is wonderful because this is where we have lots of pooling, and then it gets under the foundation. Yeah. Ooh, they got through some serious roads down there too. Exciting. We're going to be grading this whole area back here and getting rid of the tomb. So we've got a second. This is the other worst area where water pools, and so we've got a second line that's going to run all the way out there. That'd be great. So I made a bit of a deal with Angel. He's not going to cut out the tomb quite as deeply as we talked about, but in exchange for the labor, we're actually going to get rid of all this concrete, that old drainage culvert that's falling apart. So all that'll get to go away. But he's actually over here boring the curb hole. I want him to go see it. Ooh, this thing's big. Here comes the school bus.